Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is Mujahid Hussain. Hope you are doing well at your homes. Dear students, today we are going to learn about understanding finance, and this is our content list in which we will learn about equity capital obtained from where we can obtain equity capital, and credit and debt financing obtained from where we can obtain credit and debit financing, capital usage, applying for business loan. So first of all, equity capital, money that owners puts into the business is called equity capital. The owner's investment is in business, that is known as equity capital. Borrowing needed capital for the business is called credit or debt financing. When an owner invest or put its money into the business, so that is known as equipment. Or when an owner invests in its business, so that is also known as equity capital. And when we borrow some capital from any company, from any bank, so that is known as credit or debit financing. Where can equity capital are obtained? Personal saving. If we have a personal saving, then we can also use that one. Friends and relatives, we can also get equity capital from our friends and relatives as well. Partners. The owner may form a partnership with one or more individuals to obtain equity capital to initiate the business. So if you want a partnership in your business, so you can get from equity capital from your partners. Your partner can be one or more than one as well, so you can get equity capital from those, and you can start your business in a good way. Corporation. It is possible to incorporate the business as a company or a corporation and sell stock to raise equity capital. So you can also sell stocks as well in order to raise your. Where can credit and debit financing be obtained? Banks, finance companies, governments, agencies with loan schemes, trade credit suppliers extend credit terms for equipment, inventory, etc. Allow the business to begin generating sales before payment is due, and microfinance institutes are available. So you can also get your loans or credit from banks, finance companies, government agencies, which may pay loans in different type of schemes. And even you can also trade suppliers, or suppliers want to extend their credits for equipment and inventory, etc. They allow the businessmen to begin generating sales before paying the money. They can also provide you equipment, inventory, in order to continue or in order to start your business as well. And microfinance institutes are also available, so you can get your credits or debit financing from those institutes as well. How will the capital be used? In financing a new business, first determine your specific needs for money to help determine your money needs. So when you start your new business, you have to determine your needs of money, that how much money you need. Like you have to manage different expenses. So there are three groups for cost and expenses are explained: the startup cost, operating expenses, and personal expenses. Is when your business will start earning profit, means when you will get profit from your business, so you have to bear your all expenses. You have to start up your business yourself. You have to bear startup costs. You have to operating expenses and personal expenses. So let's move the startup cost. Expenses that occur only when starting the business. Once your business is started, you may never have these expenses again. Some examples of startup costs are included: fixtures and equipment, initial inventory, deposits for rent and utilities, business license and permits, certain legal fees, and advertising for the grand opening. So when you want to start any business, so these are the 6 main things for starting any business. So you have to pay So you have to pay inventory, fixtures and equipment for when you buy equipment, so you have to pay for this one, and you have to pay rent and utilities and also business license and permits. So you have to also pay legal fees, and if you want to advertise for grand opening, so you have to also pay the cost for that one, and this cost will be only once, and then you won't have to pay this fees or this thing again. Then operating expenses, until there is enough profit to keep the business running, many will be needed for operating expenses. Examples of operating expenses include inventory, supplies, advertising, payroll, taxes, wages, repairs, and depreciation of equipment, insurance, monthly rent, and utilities. So these are the expenses you have to bear until enough profit from your business running. So you have to bear all expenses by your pocket. So you keep in mind the cost of these all things in your mind, that you have to pay rent, you have to pay utilities, and you have to pay insurance as well. Then personal expenses, these include costs that are necessary for you to live. You need money for personal expenses such as rent or mortgage payments, food, transportation, insurance, clothing, utilities, medical bills, and entertainment. So these are the things are also you have to consider, that you have to manage all these things. So how you will manage when you have started your business, so you don't have enough money to bear these personal expenses as well. So you have to, when you get loan, so you have to keep this personal expenses as well as in your mind. Now consideration in applying for a business loan, when you want to apply a loan, so these things you have to keep in your mind, you have to consider these things when you applying for a loan. Different lending institutes have different procedures which have to be followed by loan pay applicants. Like I want to apply in any institute, so I am an applicant, loan applicant, and I have to follow the procedure of that institute. It is necessary to understand the following factors that taken into consideration when a banker is uprising a loan application. Type of loan, which type of loan you want to get, purpose of the loan, for what purpose you are getting loan, credit worthiness and integrity of borrower, capability, either you are capable to repayment your loan or not, your installment or not. And then security, guarantors, and business plan. You have to pay, you have to show your business as well, in which way or what are the plans when you are going to start your business. So these are the things you have to keep in mind when you are going to apply for loan. So dear friends, today up to here. Is there any question, any query, then ask. I am available for you guys. You can comment or you can mail me. I have provided my mail and my WhatsApp number as well. And stay home, stay safe, stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.